That's right, Stonelink Property Manager. We're here at 10 East Street, Unit 102. Pontiac East Apartments. It's a first floor, newly renovated, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour when you first walk in. New flooring throughout, high ceilings, fresh paint, big windows for plenty of natural light. You got your living area here with big picture windows right in front. Pantry closet to my left, refrigerator, gas stove, countertop and cabinet space, dishwasher, sink, linen closet there. To my right, you have the bathroom, shower, tub, and vanity. We get the bedroom here, big enough for a king set. That left closet there is for your own water heater. Spacious closet there for storage. I'd like to apply for 10 East Street, Unit 102, Cranston, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.